Okay, I'm gonna be checking my air filter today to see if that's why I don't have much of a good flow with my air conditioning. That is on high. So, I've never changed an air filter before, so we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, gotta take that screw out right there. And I think it'll pop off somehow from this side, so we'll see. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, we gotta loosen that side and this other side. And then that should be right behind this thing. Couldn't hurt to change. Okay, there's the old one. And okay, and of course, they apparently sold me the wrong one. But what's new? Thanks, O'Reilly's. Okay, box it back up, and we get to go to O'Reilly's again. Okay, now we have the right one. Yesterday she had sold me an engine air filter. I guess that's what it's called anyway. And obviously I needed the cabin air filter. Okay, we are back from O'Reilly's. I put it back in for a minute just so I could drive down there. I'm going to pull it back out. Super simple. Now, look how dirty that thing is. Look at this. And this is after I hit it on the pavement to see if I could knock a lot of the dirt out. And look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Even if this doesn't help the airflow, it's certainly not going to hurt a thing. I wonder if this has ever even been changed. All right. This makes it easy for people like me. Up and up. And all we're going to do is, if I can see anyway. Hold on. There we go. And pop this thing back on. It just has clips on either end. This is a lot easier to do when you're not recording. Okay, got that done. And the glove compartment, these little things just have to squeeze back in there. There's the other one. Get it to focus. And boom. Let me grab this little, I don't know what it is. I'm going to call it a little strut thing that hooks back on. to here. Hold on here. Okay, gonna have to get 2 hands on this. Okay, you gotta pull this thing back down and push it back over the end. Put your screw back in. Tighten it up with unnecessary use of power tools. Open this door a little better. And let's start it up and see if it's any better. Oh my goodness. I think I just fixed my problem for $20. This Kleenex, when I went to reach around in the back seat to grab it, was blowing in the back seat. It wouldn't even hardly blow in the front seat before. I think we're gonna have a cooler summer. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.